All right, here on the East Coast, our effects from the hurricane not quite as bad. However, some dangerous rip currents and high surf out there today. In fact, let's get you right to the Eyewitness News threat tracker. Our threats for today and tomorrow both high. And keep in mind, this is because of the water. This has nothing to do with the weather on land. In fact, the weather looking gorgeous over the next several days. So let's briefly talk about today. We have that high surf, 6 to 12 feet. Remember to stay off the rocks. Be very careful if you're taking a look at some of these waves. We also have that hidden danger, those strong rip currents, which will also be a factor, at least for today, potentially into Saturday. In fact, let's talk about tomorrow. Now, tomorrow, that high surf advisory goes until 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Even when that expires and the waves start to lower, those rip currents will likely be an issue at the beaches tomorrow afternoon. Even into Saturday, I'm going to give you a medium threat for some rip currents. Obviously not quite as bad as today and tomorrow, but keep in mind, even when the storm moves away, the waters remain stirred up. It takes a while for them to completely calm down. So that's something to watch carefully here as we go into the weekend. Right now, though, what a beautiful day over Narragansett Bay. Some fair weather clouds developing. Temperature right now is in the 70s, actually just ticked up to 80 degrees. Winds are breezy out of the northwest at 16 miles an hour, and they'll stay breezy as we go throughout the afternoon. 73 right now in Gloucester, 77 Coventry, 80 in Providence, and because we have those winds coming from that land direction, even the coast hitting the 80s right now. In terms of dew points, well, obviously today is pretty comfortable. So is tomorrow. Saturday it gets a tad more humid, but still not too bad. Very comfortable for outdoor activities. Then Sunday and Monday, that's where the dew points start to increase, and we also increase the chance of showers. But it looks like a good part of the Labor Day weekend actually ends up rain-free. More on that at the conclusion of this exciting forecast. Right now, a look at live Pinpoint Doppler 12, not showing precipitation. We have these fair weather clouds moving in from the northwest, and that's because we have some cooler air moving in overhead, and that will bring us a few clouds, especially north and west of Providence as we head into the afternoon. Temperatures pleasant, 80, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, 82 by 3 p.m., 79 by around 5. And again, those breezes will be fairly consistent throughout the afternoon, calming down a bit as we go into this evening. Highs today, kind of where we're seeing right now at the coast in the 80s as we go into northern Rhode Island. A few spots a little bit cooler, like here in Burrillville getting up to around 77 degrees, 78 in Foster. Johnston getting into the low to mid 80s today. And in eastern Massachusetts, temperatures also in the 80s, a few 70s out there, but for the most part we'll see temperatures like this. 84 in Taunton, 83 in Seekonk, 82 from Middletown down into Little Compton. We've just gone over all of the advisories and risks at the beach. Just listen to the lifeguards. Very easy to not see the rip current, and before you know it, you're in trouble. Temperatures tonight, low to mid 50s. Actually a pleasant night for sleeping, down to around 51 in Taunton. Wouldn't be surprised to see a few upper 40s overnight. And in the 7-day Futurecast, notice another nice day for tomorrow. A little cooler, humidity bone dry. Don't have to worry about that. On Saturday, humidity increases a little bit, but overall it's a pretty nice day. On Sunday, most of the daylight hours should be rain-free. At night, we will bring in the chance of a few isolated showers and thunderstorms. In terms of the Labor Day weekend, best chance to see showers would be on Monday with highs in the mid-80s. But even that day, I'm not completely sold on a washout. So we'll look at more information throughout the week and hopefully clear out some of that rain, which is trying to come in for Monday. Of course, WPRI.com, the place to go for more updates.
All right. Thanks, Pete. And now a quick look at what we're working on for Eyewitness News starting